Hi guys, I'm M. Divya Prabha studying in AC and RI Kilikulam, BSc Agri On's first year. I'm here with the topic Indian economy at the time of independence. First of all, why we should know about it. To know the present economy and to predict the future economy of India. Britishers' policy. To make Indian economy as underdeveloped economy, to make India as a feeder economy for its own industrial base. Aim and objectives. To know the meaning of economy, futures of economy at the time of independence, causes of underdeveloped economy, consequences of British rule on the Indian economy. Economy of India. India has a long economic history ranging from Vedic period to medieval period. India's economy began its development path in 1950 after getting independent from colonial British rule. Features of Indian economy. British rule in India has significant impact on making India as it was at the eve of independence. Underdeveloped economy, low per capita income, that is rupees 230. People were poor and not getting 5 square meals a day, no shelter and clothing. He heavily dependent on imports. Illiteracy was both cause and effect of poverty. Low level of savings and investment. Backward economy. Economic development was very low, high birth and death rate. Level of literacy was very low. Even the population was very low, standard of living of the people was also very low. Level of urbanization was also very low. Stagnant economy. At the time of British rule, Indian economy remained almost stagnant. Country's growth rate hovered around 1% per annum and per capita income output around less than of percent. Causes of stagnation. Neglect of irrigation, destruction of cottage and handicraft, economic drainage, discriminatory tariff policy. Agriculture economy. At the time of independence, Indian economy was predominantly agriculture economy. 70% of the people were into agriculture before 1947. Productivity of agriculture were very low, which was dependent on monsoon for irrigation purpose. Even though Britishers developed agriculture center near Sindh River, but all went due to partition between Pakistan and India. Then India was left with deficient regions. Semi-feudal economy. Feudalism was more dominant than other modes of production. Existed in Middle Ages of Europe. Indian agriculture was operated through three main land settlement systems, that is, Zamindari system. Ownership rights of the land were allotted to zamindars. Profit from agriculture lands went to zamindars. They did nothing for development of agriculture. They had to deposit a fixed amount of money within given date to the British government. Otherwise, their zamindari rights will be lost. Right system, which was introduced by Thomas Munro in 1920. British government collected taxes directly from the peasants. Ownership rights were handed over to the Mahalwari system, introduced in 1833 during the period of Warren Hastings. The village committee was held responsible for collection of the taxes. Other names given for Indian economy: traditional and subsistent economy, amputated economy, dependent or colonial economy, depreciated economy. Miscellaneous characteristic: inadequate industrial development, underutilized natural resources and heavy population pressure, capital deficiency, poverty and income dispensaries, lack of social overhead capital, foreign trade, demographic condition. Causes through exploitation. Exploitation through trade policies, exploitation through export of British capital to Indian economy, exploitation through finance capital we are managing, exploitation through payment for the cost of British administration. Consequences. India remained primarily an agriculture country and agriculture became commercialized to serve the interest of the Great Britain by exporting tea, coffee, spices, oilseeds, sugarcane and foodstuffs. India was industrially advanced country during 16th and 17th century and not permitted to modernize its industrial structure in 18th and 19th centuries. No effect was taken from British government to develop industries. Conclusion. The Net result of various forms of colonial exploitation by Britishers was underdeveloped and backwardness of India characterized by poverty and stagnation of its economy. Thank you.